Ever walked out of a waxing session feeling like your skin was plotting revenge? The redness, the itching, and those stubborn ingrown hairs. We've all been there. But gone are the days of just toughing it out. Today, we reveal the dermatologist-approved playbook to banish post-wax irritation and keep your skin as smooth as day one, without pain. Let's demystify the post-wax sting. When hair is pulled out from the root, your skin goes into defense mode. It sends blood to the area, causing redness and swelling. The main culprits: ingrown hairs, mild folliculitis, and stressed skin. A little irritation for a day or two is normal. But if you're dealing with constant discomfort, your skin needs a better game plan. Prep is everything for avoiding irritation. Start with a gentle cleanse to remove sweat and oils. Exfoliate, but not the night before. Aim for 2 to 3 days prior so your pores are clear. And don't forget hydration. Well-moistured skin flexes with the wax, reducing trauma. Right after waxing, calm the skin fast. Apply a cooling compress to bring down the heat. Follow up with aloe vera for inflammation. Witch hazel helps control bacteria. And a light moisturizer locks in hydration. Golden rule: no tight jeans, no hot showers, and no gym for at least 24 hours. Consistency beats quick fixes every time. Gentle exfoliation twice a week keeps pores clear. Use serums or oils made for post-wax care. Tea tree oil and glycolic acid are your heroes. And yes, the skill of your waxer matters more than you think. A professional with quality wax can mean the difference. If bumps turn into dark spots, take action. Persistent swelling or worse redness could signal an infection. At that point, see a professional for prescription treatments. And if you're tired of irritation, consider laser hair removal. For some, it's not just a convenience, it's a permanent solution. Brazilian waxing doesn't have to be a battle. With the right prep, smart aftercare, and a little consistency, your skin can be smooth and glowing. If this guide helped you, tap that like button and subscribe for more tips. And share this video with someone who needs a post-wax rescue plan.